President Bola Tinubu and his party, the All Progressives Congress (APC), on Wednesday closed their defense in Atiku Abubakar's petition challenging the outcome of the 25 February presidential election. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) had declared Tinubu the winner of the election, but the outcome is being contested by two of the leading opposition candidates, Atiku of the People's Democratic Party and Labour Party's Peter Obi, who came second and third respectively in the presidential poll. After a 3-week run of the petitioner's case that ended on 23 June, INEC had earlier closed its defense against Atiku and the PDP on Monday, leaving Bola Tinubu and his party, the APC, to take their turn. Tinubu's legal team, headed by Wole Olanipekun, began its bid to counter the petitioner's case on Tuesday. Opening defense of Ahmed Bola Tinubu's victory during proceedings in Atiku's case, Olanipekun, a senior advocate of Nigeria (SYMFONI), tendered several documents to debunk the claims of academic records forgery and criminal conviction being leveled against the president by Atiku Abubakar and the People's Democratic Party. Chief Wole Olanipekun tendered certified true copies of Mr. Tinubu's academic records from Chicago State University in the U.S. and correspondences between the Nigeria Police Force and the U.S. Embassy in Nigeria. In reply to the police inquiry, the U.S. Consular General in Lagos cleared Mr. Tinubu of any criminal conviction or arrest in the U.S. The letter was dated 4 February 2003. Again, at the resumed proceedings in Atiku's case on Wednesday, Olanipekun called the only witness in the case, Senator Michael Opeyemi Bamidele. Senator Bamidele was called to the New York bar in January 1999. In his testimony before the 5-man panel of the court, chaired by Justice Haruna Samani, Opeyemi Bamidele said Bola Tinubu's victory could not be nullified over his forfeiture of $460,000 to the U.S. government through a court order. Under cross-examination by APC's lawyer, Lateef Fagbemi, and SAN, Bamidele, who represents Ekiti Central Senatorial District at the National Assembly, said Tinubu was neither arraigned nor indicted for any crime by a U.S. court. According to the witness, as far as a criminal indictment is concerned, Senator Bola Tinubu has a clean bill of health because he was never indicted or convicted by any American court. The witness clarified that civil forfeiture cannot be considered a criminal trial or conviction. Testifying on the issue of the president's alleged dual nationality, Bamidele said he had known Ahmed Bola Tinubu for over 3 decades, saying he is a Nigerian citizen by birth. While being cross-examined by Atiku's lawyer, Eitayo Jegede, Bamidele said Tinubu did not need to score 25% of votes cast in the Federal Capital Territory to be declared winner of the 25 February presidential election. The witness said the FCT has no special status other than Nigeria's capital city, but admitted that Bola Tinubu scored 19.4% in total votes cast in the FCT during the February election. When it was APC's time to open its defense, Lateef Fagbemi, also a senior advocate of Nigeria (SAN), said his client chose to adopt Tinubu's evidence in the case as their defense. Fagbemi said, having taken a sober reflection of the entire case, we have enough evidence and are not calling any witnesses. We do not intend to whip dead horses. We announce the closure of the case of the third respondent, APC, referring to Atiku's petition as dead. The court ordered Tinubu and the APC to file their written addresses within 10 days, while Atiku has 7 days to reply. Justice Haruna Samani, who heads the 5-member panel, further declared that a date for the hearing of closing arguments would be communicated to the parties.